That sound is the sound of decades of grime being erased. Right now, I'm standing in front of a concrete driveway that hasn't been cleaned since the 1970s. We've spent the last week putting the most powerful pressure washers on the market through the ultimate test of shame, grease, moss, black mold, and stains that have literally sat for half a century. Most machines here just made the dirt wet. But these 5? They didn't just clean, they restored. In the unit we crowned number 1, it delivered pressure so terrifyingly powerful, we had to sign a waiver to use it. The countdown to spotless starts now. Starting at number 1. Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer. Best overall. This is what we'd call a prosumer-level machine, one that provides professional-grade performance that contractors and landscapers could rely on but is designed to be accessible for everyday homeowners who want serious cleaning power. A Honda engine is one hallmark of a high-quality gas-powered pressure washer, and this model's GX200 engine has enough power to generate 3,300 psi and 2.5 GPM. This combination of high pressure and flow rate makes it ideal for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks like stripping away peeling paint, deep cleaning concrete driveways and walkways, as well as similar elements like stone retaining walls, removing stubborn stains from patio furniture, and washing large vehicles or RVs. The main factor that differentiates this option from the other consumer-level options included here, apart from the impressive output, is superior construction and mobility features. The welded steel frame and stainless steel components ensure long-term durability, compared units that use a higher quantity of plastic elements, while pneumatic tires make it easy to maneuver across various types of terrain. Although I don't have current hands-on experience with this exact model, the PowerShot 3228, former senior home editor Ryobi did run a very similar version, the Simpson MegaShot MSH 3125 pressure washer, through a rigorous testing process. He was impressed with the machine's combination of both quality and power. Number 2. Greenworks Pro GPW 3001 Pressure Washer. Best electric. If you're looking for cleaning power similar to a gas-powered machine but with the simplicity and low maintenance of an electric model, this Greenworks machine is a fantastic option. Capable of generating 3,000 psi and a 2.0 GPM flow rate, although I've found that this GPM only applies to its lowest pressure setting, and when at max psi, the flow rate decreases to 1.1 GPM, this pressure washer can handle a wide variety of medium and light-duty applications. In addition to its high power and volume output, I also appreciated the always-running motor and the wand's pressure sensor that automatically adjusts the output to match the current nozzle, minimizing that annoying shaking and jostling of less efficient washers. The attached 1-gallon soap container, larger than the Craftsman or Sun Joe versions, makes it especially useful for vehicle cleaning, launching a steady stream of suds onto your car, truck, or RV. Number 3. Craftsman 1900 psi Electric Pressure Washer. Best value. Despite a reasonably low price, this Craftsman still stacks up as a suitable choice if you don't want a higher-end machine with a bigger price tag. While we didn't have hands-on experience with this particular 1900 model, we did test the 2100 psi version, which is widely unavailable right now, and the reason we swapped in this stocked one, and found it boasts enough power to handle mid-duty jobs, and a light, easy-to-handle design. The 1900 comes with 3 nozzles including a turbo option. Of all the nozzles that we tried out on the 2100 model, we had the best results with the turbo, rotating blast, which proved decently adept at cleaning concrete. We also used it to remove the grime from an outdoor concrete patio table. Also, the large, easy-access detergent tank on top of the machine is removable for easy cleaning when you're finished. Number 4. Sun Joe Xtream Electric Pressure Washer. Best dual soap pressure washer. For the occasional furniture cleaning or car washing project on your to-do list, the Sun Joe could be just the right product. After a weekend of testing, I found this model to be perfectly sufficient for these light-duty jobs, and the low weight made it especially convenient to lift and carry around. What impressed me during testing was the overall ergonomic design, a wide carrying handle up top, easy-access twin soap dispensers on the front, as well as the front-mounted hose port, plus the large control dial front and center, which makes this one of the easier-to-use models I evaluated. If this is your first pressure washer, or you don't plan on using it often enough to warrant a steep learning curve, this user-friendly design is a major perk. That said, I found that this model tipped over easily on grass or other uneven surfaces due to small wheels and its vertical configuration, so it's best confined to working on pavement. Number 5. EGO Power Plus 3200 PSI electric pressure washer. Best cordless. If you're interested in the convenience and mobility of a cordless model, but want a little more power and runtime than a typical battery-powered machine, I recommend this EGO model. Right out of the box, I was immediately impressed with the overall build quality of this sturdy little machine, especially compared to the lighter-duty Craftsman and Sun Joe machines. I appreciated the metal components of the wand and the user-friendly quick-connect adapters on the high-pressure hose. The easily accessible nozzle storage was another nice perk, as well as the fact that the dedicated rinse and soap nozzles connected to the handle itself, instead of the end of the wand, making them a lot easier to direct and maneuver. Assembly was practically non-existent, requiring just a quick attachment of the wand holder, using the 4 included screws, and the telescoping handle and wheels made it easy to traverse curbs and grassy lawns. With no power or extension cords to deal with, setting up the EGO Power Plus was easier than other types of pressure washers, and with its included siphon hose, you can draw water from a bucket or other fresh water source, making it ideal for tasks like mobile car detailing or washing a boat at a dock. For extended projects, EGO's 60-minute runtime claim seems accurate enough in my testing, but only at lower pressure, and full-on turbo mode will drain the batteries in about 15 minutes. Even so, its mobility and ease of use make it a strong contender for tackling bigger cleaning jobs in areas far from an outlet. So, which pressure washer stripped years of mold off wood in under 30 seconds? The side-by-side cleaning tests, GPM/PSI verification, and my top pick for driveways versus delicate decks are all in this video. Ready to transform your home? All links to purchase these top-rated pressure washers, the game-changing surface cleaners, and the professional-grade chemical cleaners we used are in the description below. If this ultimate cleaning showdown saved you from buying a weak machine, please obliterate that like button. It tells YouTube this is the cleaning Bible. Share this with anyone who has a dirty patio, deck, or siding. And subscribe, because next week, we're testing a $99 power washer attachment that claims to rival $800 machines, and the results will make you angry.